Beef is a favorite food, and plenty of demand. Besides, many cows are needed during the religious festival of Muslims. But the scientific farm of beef production is very low. So to meet the demand for meat, cattle farming can be a profitable business. For more meat production, in a short time, feeding weak cows, with special arrangements, healthy and strengthening is called beef fattening. Within a certain time, fattening cattle can be beneficial for marketing. Either way, the use of injection, or a growth hormone cannot be taken for fattening of cattle. Besides the use of antibiotics, cattle fattening is possible in normal and organic methods. For this, proper management of fattening cattle is necessary. Cows fattening facilities. 1. In a short time, cattle can be marketed at a higher price by fattening. 2. In less time, returns to capital with profit. 3. Weak cow can be fattened and strong. 4. Capital takes less and less financial risk. 5. More land is not needed, and skilled workers are not required. 6. Cow dung can be sold as organic fertilizers. 7. By producing more meat, animal protein requirements can be met. 8. Unemployment decreases, and reduces poverty by self-employment. Based on age, usually cattle can be fattened within 3 months. Sometimes, it can take 6 months to 1 year. For fattening, if male cows are selected, good results are available. For each cow needs space, 8 feet long, and 2 meters wide. Convenient time for fattening cattle is monsoon and autumn, when abundant tall grass is available. For fattening cows, 2 types of food are needed: fiber food and grainy food. Among the fiber foods only straw, UMS, green grass etc. But in this process, instead of straw just feed the UMS. UMS is the urea mixed hay in a special process. In the grainy food, oil cake, wheat gram, rice bran, rice particle, dried fish, mussels crushed, salt etc. Also, sufficient water will be supplied.